Morning, it's Jared Havens here, financial freedom strategist, CEO of Credit Life, inspiring financial wellness. And yet again, doing another video. I'm sure I'm annoying a lot of people, and I apologize about that, but I'm on a mission. I want to do a ton of video content, and that's just what I'm doing. And so hopefully this is coming across well. People are learning a lot because I just want to educate, I want to motivate, and I want to help people take action that's going to benefit their lives when it comes to credit, financial wellness, financial stability, financial future, their business, growing their business, small business, business credit, business funding. I mean, you name it, we got this going on over here at Credit Life. Anything around personal credit, financial wellness, and business credit and business funding and expertise around all those subjects is what we have in spades here at Credit Life. And so today I want to talk about an important topic because I've been doing this a lot with clients so far this week. And what that is putting together a strategic debt reduction plan to maximize FICO credit scores the quickest. And the reason why I'm bringing this up is a lot of times when people think of debt reduction or spending plan or budgeting, when they're thinking about paying down debt, a lot of times they're going to be thinking snowball or cascading or I'm trying to get out of debt faster. Now, if you have a debt problem and you're looking to become debt free, the plan around that will be specific to that, to do it in a way where it's going to be the quickest to then get out of debt and save the most amount of money in savings and overall interest. So that type of plan, which I do as well, will be specific to that type of goal. But this is for someone who's looking to maximize FICO credit scores, whether it be to buy a home, whether it be to qualify for some sort of a loan personally, or if you're a business owner and you need higher credit scores because you're looking to apply for a loan for your business, or you're looking to get business credit cards. And so this is where FICO credit scores matter the most. So if you currently have credit cards, you're going to love what I'm about to teach you right now. So the first step in what you have to do, number one, is you need to pull your credit. I know there's like Credit Karma out there. I know there's ways that you can do that. Honestly, Credit Karma is just not going to be a really good resource for you. And the reason being is that it's a two bureau. It's not all three, and it's more of a detailed summary. And the scoring that's on Credit Karma is Vantage 3. It's completely separate than FICO, so it's completely misleading as to where you actually stand. Now, don't get me wrong. When you see Vantage scores going up, typically your FICO scores are going up. I mean, when you see score improvement in general, scores are going up. But think about it. If you're looking to do something strategically and you want details, well, you need to have a report that provides you details, okay? So what I would recommend is going through us at My 800 Credit is who we like to use. It does cost money, but it's well worth it. It's $21.99 to pull your report. It's a soft pull. It doesn't hurt your scores at all. And it's going to provide you a detailed 3-bureau report. And those are the details that matter. Once you have access to a credit report, then the next step is identifying all of your current revolving accounts, which in most cases are going to be credit cards. Once you have a list of all your credit cards, what you're then going to do is notate the current balance reporting, what is the limit, and when was the account established? When was it opened? So date opened is what you're going to look for. And that's important because more length of credit history tied to that account, the longer it's been open, the more of a positive impact it'll actually have when you reduce ratios. That's very important to understand. A lot of people have no idea about that. So you're going to get a list of all your credit cards. What's the current balance to limit ratios? What's the balance versus the limit? And when was it opened? Then from there, what you're going to want to do, number one, is make your payments on time, obviously. Make your payments on or before the due date every single month. From there, you're going to begin to focus on debt reduction on the accounts that have been opened the longest, that have the most credit history associated to them. And if you do that strategically, you're going to improve FICO credit scores the fastest when it comes to the revolving debt ratio portion of the FICO score. So focus on that. It's that simple. That's what you should be doing. Now, the only time there might be a caveat to this plan is, let's say the account that you've had open the longest also has the most significant balance associated to it. So an example would be, I got a $10,000 limit Wells Fargo card. It's got a balance of $9,000. It's absolutely killing my scores right now. I've had it open for 6 years. But I do have a few other accounts that are lower balances, maybe a little bit lower limits, maybe like $2,500 limit, something like that. And the balances on there are like roughly $1,000. Well, then what you can do within My 800 Credit, which is fantastic, is there is a score simulator and they're specifically developed for debt reduction. What you do is you go into that section. It's going to automatically pull up all of your credit cards based on the last credit report update. It's going to show you how much point improvement potential is associated to each card when you pay it down to zero balance. Okay. So then what you could do is look at what you have available for debt reduction. And if you can pay off debt faster on, let's say, 2 or 3 accounts versus the larger balance one, and those combined score improvement potentials outweigh the one associated to the larger balance one, well, then that's when you would pivot to that plan. But 9 times out of 10 of the clients that we typically work with, they usually have anywhere between $1,000 to $5,000 limit cards, and it makes the most sense to focus on the ones that have been opened the longest, that have the most length of credit history associated to them, and they then improve their credit scores faster. And what that does is it opens up opportunities for a few things. One, obviously hitting their goals like getting a home. That's a big one, being approved for a mortgage. Or the small business owner, we're getting 680 plus FICO 8 scores or 720 plus even better FICO 8 scores. Now we're able to get business credit cards, 0% introductory terms, and all the beautiful things that come with that. Or, it could be something where you have like $10,000 or more in credit card debt. And if we can pop you up to a 680 plus FICO 8 score by reducing the debt on a few cards and get enough score potential in there, and let's say you still have like $5,000 left in the balance, well, now we can look at getting approved for an actual loan for debt reduction purposes, as long as you save on interest and the payments are lower than what it were. You got to, factor these things out. But we could look at a debt reduction loan or loan consolidation, extend the term out, and then from there, reduce your debt load down to zero on credit cards and now just pay that loan back over time. I mean, this just shows you, this is just one small example of things that we do every single day with our clients, is understanding money, understanding credit, understanding debt, understanding lending, and how to effectively create a plan that's going to put you in the best position possible to achieve your goals. All right. So I really hope this information helps everyone. I would say, follow my instructions. If you have questions, just comment. Let me know if you need. I'll put the link to My 800 Credit in here for everyone, so that way you can take a look at your information and check out that score simulator for debt reduction. I have no doubt you'll love it. It provides a ton of clarity and direction and make it easy for you. And once again, if you have questions, I'm Jared Havens, financial freedom strategist, CEO of Credit Life, inspiring financial wellness. Ask away. Have a great day, and let's rock this out.